Welcome to Geneva, a city of lakes, parks, and quiet sophistication. Tucked between the Alps and Jura Mountains, this lakeside jewel offers more than just luxury watches and diplomacy. It's a place where nature and elegance live side by side.
Lake Geneva, or Lac Le Mans, as the locals call it, is the heart of the city. It reflects the skyline, the snow-covered peaks in the distance, and the mood of the day. Calm, sparkling, sometimes stormy, but always beautiful.
We didn't plan every step of this trip. And in Geneva, you don't need to. The best moments come when you just start walking. And let the city surprise you.
We started at Parc Moynier, one of the most peaceful places by the lake. The sound of the water, the wide open space, families enjoying the sun make it feel like a little lakeside paradise.
A few minutes away, Parc Mon Repos lives up to its name, My Rest. This is where people go to read, nap, or simply watch the world go by. It's quiet, shady, and full of charm.
And then we arrived at the Botanical Garden, and wow, it's full of surprises. Thousands of plant species, greenhouses, ponds, and a path that make you feel like you are walking through a fairy tale garden.
Just a few minutes from the city center, we found this peaceful animal park. Perfect for families, or honestly, anyone who just needs a quiet break. Even the smallest places in Geneva have something to offer.
Now let's talk logistics. Because Geneva has a reputation for being pricey. And yes, it can be, but if you stay at hotel or hostel, you will get a free transport pass. That means trams, buses, and even those yellow lake boats all included. And honestly, some of our favorite meals were the simplest ones. A baguette, local cheese, fresh fruit, and a lakeside view, sometimes that's all you need. Geneva doesn't need to be extravagant to be unforgettable.
What surprised us most? The calm. Geneva isn't loud. It doesn't shout for your attention. It invites you, softly, to be present, to notice the colors, the reflections, the rhythm of daily life.
On our last day, we took a short train ride to Nyon, a small lakeside town just outside Geneva. It felt timeless, like the lake, the sky, and the streets all moved at their own pace. We sat by the water, watched the light change, and realized this was exactly what we had come looking for. Not big landmarks, not a busy itinerary, just time.
Geneva and Nyon gave us something simple: the space to slow down, to breathe, to feel the moment. Switzerland in its softest form, a place that doesn't ask for much, but gives you more than you expected.